This is our Forex blog for April 15th, 2016, and this is one of the better weeks we've had in probably months, just as far as number of net pips, number of percentage winning trades, the average size of the wins compared to the average size of the loss. And the stats I'm about to show you are how I've always done it, and for the last 2 years. At the end of each day, after I've added a few new patterns, fixed some of the old ones, I keep stats of the results. And every day I try to fix 5 or 10 patterns and usually add 5 or 6 new trades. So the new trades are on here obviously wouldn't have shown up live, and some of the losing trades that I removed are not shown up in here. But you can compare the results, on these days and this week compared to 6 months ago, a year ago, and see the progress of our trading system. All right, so that being said, let's just go over the stats first, and I'll show you some of the trades. Here's Friday. Tons of winning trades that day. 652 net pips. 49 trades total. You can see a very high percentage of them on this day. It's one of the highest winning percentage we've ever had. 18.6 pip average win, and the loss is only 7.65 pips. Previous day, also notice how many trades there are. Quite a few trades. 53 trades, 567 pips net, and the average loss only 7.6. And notice the size, the number of losses here. The wins way over 50%, 20.1 pips. So it's almost 3 times bigger win than loss, and about 60% winning that day. Previous day didn't do as well winning percentage, 237 pips. About 50-50 wins and losses. You're not obviously not going to always have winning days. Some days are choppy and don't have very big trends, and up directional moves automatically turn into down moves, and so when you buy the trend, you lose. But on this day, the average loss was only 7.6 pips, and the average win 21. So even though it's 50-50, it's 3 times bigger win than loss, and that's why it did well. Tuesday, very big day, 696 pips, 55 trades, and only 17 losers with less than 7 pips per average loss. And you can see the average win 21. So 3 times bigger wins and losses, and that's what I focus on. I try to add patterns that I feel in the future will be 55-60% or more winning, and likely to make 2 times or more profit, for when they work compared to when they don't. And here is Sunday, Monday, which was a lot of trades for that day. 608 pips, probably one of the best Sunday Mondays we've had in many months. And you can see quite a few losers, 31 actually, but 8.2 pips for the loss. The wins, 37, so slightly more wins, but again, 23, almost 24. So it's almost 3 times bigger wins and losses, maybe 52-55% winning that day. And you can see, with the exception of a few trades, most of them are over 10 pips. On very big trending days, our patterns tend to find a lot of big wins. So let's just go over some of the trades. Here's the euro dollar on Friday. You can see a nice little small trade right here, about 10 pips. You gave that profit back, then you had 2 wins. 30 or 40 pip win here, 10 or 15 pip win there. On Thursday, small 5 or 6 pip, or maybe even a pip or 2. You lost here. You probably made 2 pips there, so that wasn't that good. Pound, you can see a nice counter trend move here at the high, explosive up move. And one of the ways I'm able to find some of these trades is using some of our counter trend methods. FX trend reversal, it's been in our software for years, and you can see a likely sell pattern right here. If some of my intra-bar signals hit within 10 or 15 bars of these counter trend patterns, and if they're at one of our containment bands, which is a very high probability reversal in and of itself, we take these kind of trades. And you can see, it was giving you a warning to sell, and you can see the market over the next few hours trended down. They're very accurate, sometimes a little bit early, but I use those in combination with some other methods I've developed. Let's go back a little further that day. No other trades. Previous day, you can see nice sell here, nice sell here. This is a big counter trend signal telling you that, you know, the market's been going up probably for a day and a half too, and it's likely to have a little bit of a pullback. And you can see less than half an hour later, boom, counter trend move. So a small loss here, followed by a win. And notice also another trend here. This is telling you that the market's likely to reverse up. Unfortunately, we didn't buy right here, but if you were watching that signal, you might be trying to buy, and you can see it went up for the next hour and a half or so. Very high probability early warning methods. You know, and again, trading is all about small losses, big wins. Who cares if you're wrong 3 times in a row? If you lose 5 pips, 6 pips, 10 pips, and then you have 150 pip win, you got it all back. Here's the Swiss yen, small win. Huge win, huge win. Previous day, small loss, huge win. Pretty much 3 pip win, and then immediately went short. Break even, break even. And more than likely, this counter trend signal here was soon after one of our longer term, kind of like a heads up. It lets us know when the market's very likely to reverse pretty soon. And you know, apparently it didn't show up there. That's not the cause of that particular pattern. Here's the dollar CAD, 10 pip win, 20 pip win, 8 or 9 pip loss, 20 pip win, loss, 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 loss. And you know, occasionally that does happen. Loss, win. And again, the wins are bigger than the losses. This one big trade right here would have eaten up all 4 of those losses. And you know, it's just the way trading goes. Australian yen, big win, 10, 15 pip win, 20 pip win, probably break even, 20, 25 pip win. Pretty much break even, probably lost 4 pips and then made 20. And here's the last one. CAD yen had some really good trades on Friday. Huge move. Counter trend trade made about 10 pips, and we also were, you know, sold the high up here. You see the previous day, loss, loss, and then the next trade got those back plus some. You had a small win and another win. So again, that's the key to trading: small losses, bigger wins. Try to be 45 to 60% or higher, and you know, try to trade whatever method you use. Try to have your wins 2 times bigger than your losses, and that's the key.